is
Pencil.
ko. Good. Okay, this one is
Pencil.
again.
Pencil.
Me with e. Me. Ayan. Oh, may star dito ka, teacher. And this one. This one is Zumi. Fa. Okay. Tingnan mo yung vowel, Biha, Zumi. Next one is go. Galing naman. Okay, this one is yun. It's re. Good. And the other one, this one is pa. Galing naman. Okay, and this one is te. Okay, let's read it again. Ready? Zumi, it's ko. Yes. Me with e. Me. This one. Go. This one. Fa. May star yan kay teacher. Good. This one. Pa. Good. This one. Re. And the other one. With e.
Dito lang sa
Ta. E. It's te.